Hey guys, Nick here from Random Vids, and today we are going to do my loudest whistle ever. I'm sorry if it's a bit lagging, it's just my camera how it is, but yeah. Alright, here we go. Alright, doors shut. Alright. It actually just then felt that loud that, I don't know, it could be something felt through. I could just hear metal, guys. So yeah. That was my last whistle, I guess. Nick can do one hand, but it kind of hurts my ears a bit more than... Oh, and also, I'm going to do a video featuring this thing. You hum into it, and yeah, I might do some videos and like cover up with songs with this thing, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.